Before I put it in, I'll let you get up.
Hey man, I'm pretty shit hot PC, isn't it?
Yeah, I know.
Cool, I need to start with this one.
You came to me because I wanted to do YouTube, and I saw this guy called Linus Tech Tip, and he created PC, and he did this one video where he did a mid build, roughly $900,
Okay.
and then the parts in there were quite cool, but I wanted a more powerful machine.
So
So that's
the
sparked.
specification of this exceeds what he had in the video.
Yeah.
Even better.
And
This comes with a glass panel.
Yeah, it does.
It's off.
it's off. It's by Corsair,
Corsair.
and also the fans and the RAM.
Right, okay. So what's the motherboard you've got?
It's Ace. It's made by Ace 57X.
Right.
A Wi-Fi motherboard.
Cool. So your graphics card.
The graphics card is made by it's an AMD Ryzen 5600.
Yep.
Accompanied by ASRock.
ASRock.
And the processor is a AMD Ryzen 7 5100X.
Okay. So these are all parts that you shop online, you went to Amazon.
Everything's all quite up to date except the motherboard's quite a year old.
Right, okay.
So when I plugged in the processor, I had to update the BIOS.
Yeah.
But at the time I didn't have a processor that was at the time, so I had to buy an AMD Ryzen 3 5100.
Right, okay.
And then after I updated BIOS, I installed a new processor.
Unfortunately, that's
The
the whole
68.
That's the whole point of this PC. I mean, you've got a box here now. You can adapt to later on. You can upgrade certain things.
Some of the parts I wanted were quite expensive, like the Ryzen.
So
not Ryzen.
I suppose as a beginner's introduction to a gaming PC,
Yeah.
this is quite a good little little investment that you can.
For being my first PC and having barely any knowledge, watching PC videos of people that makes PCs and getting the knowledge from there.
What do? You do like live streaming.
Yeah, I live stream.
And you have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Right. We'll put a link to that in the bottom.
Yeah. Go subscribe to Solar Character Zero.
Cool. That's the very one.
Yeah, I do VR gaming.
Even better. Even better.
You're a little bitch.
Give me the headgear. Wow. Awesome.
Is that fine?
That's fine. Not good.
It's better you face the tube because it's okay.
I need to face this way.
Maybe be careful when you've got light shade on top of you. I failed.
What happened there? Like?
You failed. Do you want me to turn off the fail thing? So even if you miss, it looks
Right, are you, as soon as you miss one.
No. You see the white bar? That's what your health bar away. The more you miss, the
Right, what? Okay, you have to tell me the rules here. I'm trying to hit the blocks.
Alright, the lightsabers are coloured matched to the blocks.
Oh, you never
So,
told me
and,
that. You got to tell me the rules, man.
Alright, and then 2 seconds, you see arrows.
Yeah.
You hit to the direction of the arrows. Change the difficult, select normal then. Or go to normal.
Have you got expert?
Yeah.
Oh man, come on. No.
Yeah, you the expert at them.
Aye, but you've been a player for years.
About a year.
That's better. Okay, so I know what I'm doing now.
Yes. You're stop yelling. This is cool.
You want to do that?
Yeah, it does, but it doesn't really count because you're not really hitting or swiping the direction of that. The best way of doing it is if you follow the speed and the rhythm of the song and the speed of the blocks.
Yeah. Based on the way of that?
Yeah.
Ah, right, okay. Excellent.
Cool.
You should have said I'll make the camera.